How to classify land cover. Make sure you have taken the Land Cover Expert training. If you haven't, tap to go through the slides and earn the badge. Then start a new land cover observation. Follow all the steps for the tools, starting with date and time. Set your location and tap Reset as needed to get the best location accuracy you can. Select Yes or No for each of the current surface conditions. Next, take pictures up and down, rotating for automatic photo mode. Line up the circles to take these photos automatically. You'll rotate again for the directional photos. Try to capture about the length of half a football field or soccer pitch in each direction. Find the direction, adjust up and down, and tap anywhere on the screen to take the photo. Field notes are helpful if you have any details to share about this location. There is also the opportunity for feature photos for items of interest not captured in the directional photos. Tap Complete Observation to continue to the next step. While you can stop your observation here, tap Continue to add classifications. Tap the thumbnail to get a bigger view of the photo for this direction. Select the appropriate categories and subcategories of the land cover in this photo. Adjust the sliders to represent the approximate percentage of each type. Zoom in again if you need to review the photo. Percentages may sum to more than 100% for vegetation at different vertical layers. If a new land cover type appears in a later photo, add it to the list. And once again, adjust the sliders as needed. Two more directions to go. Adding another new land cover type for this direction. We know estimates may not be perfect, but do the best you can. Classifying photos makes them more valuable for research. Final directional photo. And the final slider adjustments. The app will combine the 4 directional classifications into an overall land cover type for the observation. Review your classifications and use the pencil icons to edit as needed. Tap Finish when done. Send your data now or save to send when you have a strong cellular or Wi-Fi connection. Thank you for contributing to the GLOBE program.